it's Zane Morgan, the Christmas elf. What an exciting year this has been. To celebrate the end of 2021, I am giving you the gift of free STLs. That's one for every month. I've worked my Christmas tookus off crafting these all year long, and they're now yours to download and use. They're a random collection that includes stairs to avoid slipping down, bookcases to hold those endless releases that the D&D gods keep giving us, a fireplace to warm your cookies by, archery targets to practice your Legolas skills at, and more, all for your tabletop terrain needs. I can't wait to see you all in the new year and create many more exciting things to share with you. Now, to give you one last thanks, it's time for a Christmas carol.
Hey guys, thank you all for your support in 2021. It has been an amazing couple of months here. I will be back in 2022. You asked, I listened, and in the next year there will be step-by-step tutorials on how I make my stuff so that you can craft alongside me. I hope you have a happy holidays, a wonderful new year, and thank you again for watching, subscribing, commenting, all that on my channel. Be well. Bye guys.